The holiday time is upon us, so if you're thinking about gift giving and just trying to get ideas for what you can give as a gift that might be something that's unique or something that's a little more out of the box, consider something like this. So this was actually sent to me for review, and if you've ever seen one of these like blocks that you can put together that make like different artistic items, right? This one's like a bouquet of flowers, but look at how beautiful the colors are on here. So you just put it together. So it's almost like a little project, right? You have these blocks, you build them, and then at the end you have this beautiful flower bouquet. So this one is really beautiful. And even the box is lovely. Like I feel like even just unwrapping this, I'd be really happy with it. So this looks really great. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. And I wanted to show you again, because I just took the plastic off, but look at that. Look at how that reflects the light. I would be so happy, again, just to wake up on Christmas and see this under the tree. I think it is stunning. Like even just the box is beautiful. Okay, so now we'll open it up and see what's inside. Here are the bags of the individual pieces, and you can see some of them are really small. I love that everything is labeled because I think this is going to be really beneficial when you're starting to put this together based on the instruction manual, right? If it refers to a certain number, you know exactly where that number is. So this looks great. I also love that it came with this book. It's beautiful. It looks just like the outside of the box. You have starry blooms. Here's the beautiful image of the completed bouquet. But look at how beautiful this is. Like even this is a treat. The instructions are in color, which I appreciate, but you can see here it guides you through each step. So telling you that this piece is connected through here, and here are the connector pieces. So everything is very straightforward on how you actually build it. And in the back of the book, you do have this beautiful glossary that'll show you exactly what each piece is and how many of those you have in the packaging. And then when you are done, look at how stunning this is. Just this beautiful bouquet that you've built with these little blocks. It is amazing. It is so beautiful, and I think it would be like a passion project. So much fun with these beautiful colors and this beautiful end result. So the way that you actually build this is you see the bags that have the number. So for example, this one has 1-1, and then over here you can see this is 1-1-2. And if you look at the instructions, this one shows you that the 1-1 bag will build this flower and 1-2 bag will build this flower. So that's how you can think of it as you're going through. So I wanted to check in after I made my first little flower here, just to show you how easy it was. Super simple. I know there's a lot of pieces in here, so it may be a little intimidating when you see all the bags of pieces, but it was so easy to put this together. And I feel like, again, the instructions are so simple. It'll walk you through exactly how to do it, but look at how beautiful. I am just over the moon. So I wanted to check in now that I finished the set, but they are so beautiful. And I love that you have so many different varieties, but just so many beautiful flowers. So this is actually something that I'm going to put in a vase because I think these are just so much fun and so beautiful. Look at how bright the sunflowers are. So it was definitely very easy to put together. Again, the instructions are very straightforward, but I love this. I think this would make an amazing gift for anybody that loves blocks or loves putting something together. It was a lot of fun, and I loved having the ability to focus on it, and then you have a beautiful result when you're done.